Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a post on Instagram after posting. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So in your profile, you'll see all your posts, and then tap any of the posts that you want to edit, and then above the post at the top right, you'll see three dots and then just click it. And from the options, select Edit. In the edit mode, you can only allow to change the caption, to add or remove the text from your previous caption, tag people, and add location. You can also remove some photos from your carousel posts as long as the carousel post contains 3 or more photos. So once you're done editing your post, click done, and then that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!